Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you have been with me for a while. I do really appreciate you all. Today I have for you an unboxing, a new unboxing. It's called Orglamix. And so I know it has a weird name, and I didn't actually look at like the background of the name, so I'm not sure. I think maybe part of it is because their stuff is organic, clean. It says on the box, clean, eco-friendly, cruelty-free, vegan, handcrafted. So I'm not really sure why the name, but it is a beauty subscription. And of course, I do not remember how much. I'll put it on the screen. Also, real quick, just if you are not aware, I do have a giveaway going on. It's a two-part giveaway that is linked down below. And there's other information down there if you care to read it. So this is what the box looks like, and it is kind of small, but I open it up and this is what I see. And so this is, okay, so this is a return shipping label? No, it's just a shipping label, and it says thank you. And then, so it has this in here that's kind of stuck in there. It says Orglamix. Aloha. Our April. Why does it say April? Why does this say April? It is, well, it's July, right? It's just, okay. Okie dokie. I'm really confused. Okay, so it says, our April box features natural ingredients sourced from the rich Hawaiian Islands, infused with ancient traditions, customs, and truly gorgeous fragrances. It tells me what is in the box. It does say vegan and cruelty-free. I'm not sure why I got April's box because it is July. I just ordered this, I don't know, last week. I really hope this isn't another box that I'm going to have issues with. Okay. I will email them. Maybe that's a typo. Maybe it's not. I'll email them and ask them why they sent me April's box in July and see what they have to say. But let's get into this box. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out is Cocoony Nut Oil. And this says that it's a bath and body oil for $14. The kukui tree has always had a spiritual significance to Hawaiians. It gives them hope for renewal. So it's just a body oil that works its magic to nourish and hydrate. So let's okay, so let's see, I'll just put a little bit on my hand. Okay, so that smells good. The packaging has a weird smell to it, but and I just got it on the tip of my nose, but the body oil actually smells really good. So that's cool. Oh, it smells really good. So that's nice. Now my hands are oily. All right, so the next thing this lid is not on very tight. Hopefully it has a safety seal, and it does have a safety seal. Okay, cool. So the next thing is Orglamix, and it is Aloha. And I'm not gonna take the safety seal off, but it looks like it is an eyeshadow. So let's see, just to be sure. Yep, it's a natural eyeshadow. It retails for $12.50. And then the next thing I am pulling out, This lid is also not on tight. Please have a safety seal. It does not have a safety seal, but it didn't get all over the place. Oh, that smells so good too. Kona. It smells like cake. Wow. Okay. Oh, Kona coffee. So yeah, I guess it smells like coffee. A cake coffee. That smells really good. What is this? So, Kona. It's a cleansing conditioner. I would have not have guessed that. I would have guessed it was like a lotion. Okay, cleansing conditioner, $9. It says lightly cleans, lightly cleans, conditions between regular shampooing. Okay, so I guess it's like a leave-in conditioner. So that's good, and it smells so good. Wow. That's cool. Okay, the next thing I am pulling out is Hawaiian Beauty Water, and it looks like this, and it says exfoliating glow potion. And this retails for $18. This is an all-natural liquid that is made from organic coconut water and tropical enzymes. Is gentle enough to use every day, but hardy enough to purge your skin of oil, grime, and leaves you positively glowing. Please have a safety seal. It does not have a safety seal, but that smells really good too. I love that. I like it. Okay, and the next thing I am pulling out, which I believe is the last thing, is hibiscus, and I cannot pronounce that word, awapui, awapui. And this is, it's a perfume oil that retails for $15. And so it's probably a roller ball, maybe? Yep, it's a roller ball, and I can't smell that. Okay, there we go. Oh, that smells really good too. Wow. Okay, so, well, this might be full size because it's like a perfume, but, or an oil perfume, but, so maybe that's full size, and oh, and this is probably full size, but I mean, if these aren't full size, I think that you could get at least 2 or 3 uses. I mean, this, you could probably get a lot of uses out of this, a lot of uses out of this. Out of this, I would probably say 2 or 3 uses. But this stuff, I like this stuff, you guys. I think it's good. I will ask them about the April box, why I got an April box. I think that that's kind of strange. It does say on my slip that it is a monthly renewal, so it's not, yeah, it says reoccurring order every 1 month. So I don't know why I would get April's box. Maybe it was a typo, maybe it wasn't. I will give them an email, or I'll shoot them an email to see, but I like this box. All right, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day. Bye. Oh yeah, I also have a fashion coming up. Have a great day. Bye.